Right, so today I'm going to be putting the water tank in, and it's already been in, but now I'd like a hose connected up to the outside, which is going to be this big one, so I can fill it up from water from the outside and haven't got to keep filling it up from the inside to make it easier. So this is now going to be routed, if you can see, you can't see, let's turn this up, under there, and it's going to go out through there. So we're going to drill a little pilot hole, see where it comes out the other side. Right, so there's the hole. I drilled inside out. I measured it next to the old carver. So now we're going to put an 80mm hole through. Right, so you can see that. That's my water funnel with a key on it. So definitely got to have a lock on it in case someone decides to pee in it or something while you're asleep. But here we go, let's drill this hole. Right, moment of truth, see if it fits. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Even got the water symbol on it as well. Right. Right, just going to put a little bit of sealant around it. Just so it doesn't leak. That'll do. Slot that into position. Let's get that nice and square. Take the sealant off. Right, screw it in position. That's all done. Just going to measure this hose out. Take it up underneath. I reckon if we cut that round about there, hold your ears. Done. Stick the circuit on. Right, that's it, and let's get this connected up then. Right, so that's all connected up. Just going to get a couple of cable ties now, put them on, and then we'll fill it up with water, see what happens. Right, and it works. Now, cable tied up. And then a little bit of cleaning underneath, and that's good. Right, so there we go, all finished. Undo that cap. And there you go. And if you see that, all nice and full. Hose in, fill up, away you go. Goodbye.